This gold expert advisor doubled my life account. And guess what? It is not a grid martingale system, but it wasn't luck. I tested countless expert advisors. Many failed and I lost money along the way, but the end result is that I found the winning formula and I will share it with you. You will be surprised to see that it is not just a single gold expert advisor, but many, and you will be able to trade them too. So this account is visible on the A Trading Academy website and it's on the first spot, and you can see that the total gain is 115%. Just in the last 30 days it gained over 60%. And it is this platform over here that I have on one of my VPSs, and you will see that at this account I'm trading 3 gold expert advisors at the same time. Not just one, but 3, because I always want to have better risk diversification. And if I show the account history, you'll see that I started that account at the end of May 2024 and all the way until the moment, this is the beginning of November. I had plenty of trades. Let me just save the detailed report, and here it is. So you can see that there were many trades that I executed, and this is the balance from MetaTrader. But on the website we have the track record available, so I'll click on that and it is more visible. So here it is. It started back at the end of May, and you will see that just recently it doubled the account. So this is a $200 account and it reached 400, and actually the total gain according to FX Blue is 115.6%. And if I switch to equity, you will notice that the equity stays very close to the balance line. And quite often YouTubers show that they double accounts, but usually with grid martingale systems it's everything or nothing. It's either you double your account or you lose everything. However, this thing here is real trading and it's part of my trading process. So every new expert advisor or a combination of expert advisors, I first test on a demo account, then I put them on a small $200 live account just to test on live environment, and then I'll put them on a bigger $1,000 account. And that's exactly what I already did with this account. For example, the top 3 gold expert advisors on 1 year from the top 10 up, so they are already trading on a $1,000 account, which achieved 2%, but that's a relatively new account. Another combination with the gold is this one over here, top 5 gold expert advisors on 5 year with 1 year cross check, and you can see that this account achieved nearly 10%. If I click on the track record, you will see that I started it back in mid-October, so for less than 30 days, actually it's 26 days exactly, it gained 8.2% according to FX Blue. And the account where I'm trading the top 3 gold expert advisors on 1 month is pretty much on the second stage of my testing. So I tested it on demo, I tested it now on a small $200 account, and it is time now to put it on a $1,000 account. And I have prepared a new one with Eightcap where I'll be trading this combination of expert advisors. And just to clarify what exactly I'm trading, I'll bring the top 10 robots up on my recording screen and I will show you both the stats and the app. So in this case I have the gold symbol in here, and in the first account that I showed to you, this one, I'm trading the top 3 gold expert advisors by looking at the 1 year performance. So I always keep in this account the 3 expert advisors on top for the last 1 year, and in this account with the top 5 gold expert advisors from 5 year and 1 year cross check, I look first on the 5 years and I check if each of the expert advisors is profitable on the 1 year. And in this case, this expert advisor is the same one on the top for the 1 year and for the 5 years. And with the account that I flipped $200 into $400, you will see that I am trading the top 3 gold experts on 1 month, and I always keep those in this account. So now I will have 3 live accounts, $1,000 each, and I will see which of the three combinations is the most profitable. So this way I will have a fair comparison. Also keep in mind that trading gold, even with 0.01, is a little bit risky in $200 account, because you can see that, for example, the current trade that is opened, the stop loss on the top would cost me €12.32. Actually, this account is in euro, guys, and the take profit would bring me €26, and €12 and starting balance of €200 is about 6%, and some of the strategies have bigger stop loss, so sometimes the risk is about 10% per trade. But when I trade 3 expert advisors, I diversify the risk. However, when I increase the accounts to 1,000 or even more, I always aim at having 1 or 2% maximum risk per trade. So I take this €200 account, which is already €431, as a testing account. I want to test how these expert advisors will perform on a live environment. And then I open a bigger account with reputable broker like Eightcap, and actually I have prepared another live account where I'm gonna be trading another combination of expert advisors. But very importantly, when you start trading bigger accounts, make sure you are using regulated brokers, and I'll leave the link to Eightcap down below in the description if you want to test them on a demo or on a live account. And all of the testing so far shows really promising results from the top 10 robots app, and this is why for the very first time we will launch a free trial for the gold pair, so we will have the chance to test any of these expert advisors for free until the end of the month. I'll leave the link down below in the description so you can download the robots yourself and play with the different combinations. And one more time, have a look at the combinations we already tested to compare your trading and executed orders, and just make sure you get the most out of this free trial. But before doing all of that, it is not a bad idea to test the expert advisor on MetaTrader with your broker. So for model, make sure you use open prices only. They are for the M15 time frame, and you can predefine the date. If you don't check this box, you will backtest the expert advisor for the complete period. And here is the backtest of this expert advisor on MetaTrader. However, MetaTrader is not really the best backtesting software, especially MetaTrader 4, because the spreads are not live, they are static, and MetaTrader 5 has live spreads. So I usually prefer to use MetaTrader 5, but the better thing you can do is once you download any of the expert advisors that you want to trade. For example, I like very much one that was created 5 months ago, this one over here. And if I download this expert advisor, I can upload it back in EI Studio, and I can see a very precise backtest with exact count of trades. I can see what are the entry and the exit indicators. I can change, or for example, round the stop loss of that strategy and see if there will be a difference. I can add additional indicators and play around with the strategy until I'm happy with the results. I can also backtest it with different brokers' data just to cross-validate it, so we can see that it has a great balance chart with Eightcap. And you don't need a license for EI Studio to upload back the expert and play around it. If you want to learn how to create your own expert advisors, check out this video on my site and you will be able to do it in just 2 minutes. But to make it easier for everybody, we created those apps so you can download ready to use robots. As always, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video.